What's up guys, it's Zoz and welcome back to another video where I'm gonna show you my new maps that I created early on today. And my new maps that I created on the new map maker mode. So to create one you have to go on map maker and then create new, and then you can select the mode and the biome, and you can name it whatever you want. So I created two maps, and to play your maps you have to go into friendly game, go into the maps and select yours. And my map is a solo showdown map. But before that, I'm gonna go into edit and show it to you. So I try to make it a little fair because I like fair maps. So I have a spawner here with 3 boxes, a spawner here with 3 boxes, one here with 3 boxes, and you see what I mean. Every spawner has 3 boxes besides the 2 spawners that have a lot of boxes in the middle, because I put a lot of boxes in the middle, but also 2 spawners, so it's gonna mean that there are 2 people that are gonna spawn and they will fight each other. So, you know, like a little rewards for the survivor, he's gonna have a lot of boxes. And my strat in this map, it's you always have to be near the center, because I will show you now into the gameplay. No, I have to keep one, yes. So I removed all the bot and I'm gonna show you. Okay. I spawned here.
Watch out! Here I come!
If I spawn outside the big square, I can come from here, but I can come in the center here, you see? And I'm gonna be blocked and the smoke will come and kill me. 1 second, I think the sound is too loud. I'm gonna turn it off. So yeah. And the storm is gonna kill me. So what is best to do? It's take your boxes, fight and fight. But then when the storm start coming from like a dead cactus, or no, even further, do not take risks. You know, like when the storm comes here where I am now, what is best to do is to come in the center and wait for the people to come here so you can shoot them. The only other way to come in this block here is to break it or have a gadget or a star power like Dynamite's star power. And yeah, I really like this here. I don't know why, I thought it looks cool. And this I did it symmetrically, because in the other side too there is the same thing. And yeah, that's it. I also did that. 1 second. I don't care if I lose now, I'm just showing to you the map. He didn't even let me. He really died to the zone. They're not, you know, they're not very intelligent, the bots. Okay, I'm gonna show you. I have something here. It's cool also. And I tried to do it a little aesthetic, because if I just put only strategic things, and yeah, the map won't be good to see. So yeah, I like it when it's beautiful. So yeah, we're gonna hop into a game now with bots, And see, no, I forgot to take one out. It's okay. Yeah, to put them all. And don't forget to subscribe and like, and put in the comments video ideas that I can do. And put the bell, because tomorrow I'm gonna be playing this map with my friend, and another map that I will be making today or tomorrow. So yeah, stay tuned. And you see, now I spawned in here and I'm in a very bad situation because okay, I managed to kill the bull and survive. Oh no, you see, so that's it. That's my map. We're gonna try and win in the map because it's my map. It's embarrassing if I don't win. My favorite spot is here because no one can kill you. You're not on all the sides of the map, and you cannot be backstabbed. No, I auto shoot. I'm a bot. I'm literally a bot. I'm a big bot. I'm so dumb. And if you want me to upgrade my map or do it better, don't forget to say it in the comments, so it's gonna be better. And now I'm realizing it's not very fair because you can be backstabs in everywhere in your spawn. If you spawn where the arcade, where the 8-bit is, you can be backstabbed by everyone, and you will have not a lot of boxes, but it's a challenge, so it's cool. But don't forget to town, and I die. I'm a bot. Yes. We're gonna try to be number one because it's my map and I want to be number one. Oh, you see, now I am very lucky to have all three because I think the maximum boxes you can get in a match is 20 and minimum 16, I think. So 3 on 20 in one spawn is very good. So yeah, now we're gonna go kill people and then go in the center. And I will try to show you how the bots will die to the smoke if they do. If they're not very intelligent. I have no aim, don't judge. Yeah. I'm a bot at this game, but I like to play it. I'm so dumb. Yeah, I will cut the video till I win. So guys, this is not working with Colt, so I'm just gonna play with Pam and hope it's gonna be better. And I spawn next to Sandy. That's not good. Not good at all. Now, let's go, I killed her. I thought I was gonna die when I saw the Sandy, but no. So, I hesitate. If I stay in the center or go kill people, I think I'm just gonna go kill people, it's more fun. I will try to show you how the bots die to the smoke, if they don't break anything. It don't seem like they can't break anything. If I kill the bull, I'm just gonna wait for the Rosa to die to the storm. Yes, let's go. Perfect example. Oh, perfect example. Yes, come on, smoke. Come on. 1 second, I'm just gonna make sure it's recording. Yes, because yeah, I did I was number one before, but it didn't record, so I had to do it another time, and it took a lot of time, much time. So now I'm gonna wait for the Rosa to come. Oh, she's intelligent. Maybe I can make her go of the thing, of the like square kind of. I want her to die to the storm. Please. Rosa, don't be intelligent. Come on, Smoke. Faster, faster. Come on, faster, Smoke. Please, faster. Come on, Smoke. Yes. Where is she? Oh, she's not there anymore. What? Oh, you see, she died because she's dumb. But if it happens to a real player, it's gonna be so funny. So yeah, that's the point of my map, kind of. Now I will show you the troll map, the funny map. I'm gonna show it to you with Frank and then with Jackie. And you tell me which is more cool. It's a big lol in the center of the map. I wanted to do that because it's funny. Now, oh, it's so satisfying. Oh, now I take all the boxes. Look at this damage on the box. It's so cool. I love it. And now he's dead. He's dead. Absolutely dead. Now there's a Surge. Hello, Surge. Hello there. And yeah, and if you liked my map, don't forget to tell me. Boom! Baraba. Now, where is the other guy? And which brawler is it? Where are you? Oh, cute Shelly. No power cubes. Aww. Oh, little bot. Specimen bot. I'm gonna kill her with my super boom. It's so cool, man. I love it. Now I'm gonna show you with Jackie. And I think it's gonna be even better. Where is she though? Where are you? Where is she? Oh, she's there. Okay. This is better. And yeah. Let's get right into it. Oh, come on, go in the middle. Let's go all into the center. Oh, you see that? It's so cool. I know I'm not gonna die against them. Or I don't think so. I almost took a big karma here. But now I'm alive. Yeah, look at all those cubes. I'm eating them. And now I'm gonna go kill everyone. So yeah, it's kind of a satisfying map with certain brawlers like Frank and Jackie. The ones that do big zone damage. Yeah, so now I'm gonna go kill the last player. And who is it? It's a Jean. Cute Jean. Whoa, goodbye. So yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you liked it. I hope you like my map. Don't forget to say in the comments how should I upgrade it or make it better. My main map, not the funny one, just to mess around. But yeah, don't forget to like and comment other video ideas you want me to do. Subscribe with the notification bell on because you have to stay tuned. Tomorrow I will be doing a video with my friend where I try another map that we will create together and the map that I showed you, the first one, and maybe other maps. So yeah, that's the end of the video and bye. I'll see you next time.